Hello everyone. Today I am doing a topic of probability, that is Bayes theorem. For that you need to understand conditional probability. So, conditional probability. Yes. What's that? In that you have to find the probability of A when you are given that probability of B event is given to you. You have to find probability of A event when B is given to you. What's the formula? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Similarly, you have to find probability of B event when A event is given to you. That is probability of B intersection A by probability of A. Yes, and you know that probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B intersection A. Yes or no? चाहे A intersection B निकाल लो या B intersection A निकाल लो, that is one and the same thing. Okay. Now we are going to derive Bayes theorem from conditional probability. Now मैंने कहा A intersection B, B intersection A के equal है. अगर मैं यहाँ से B intersection A निकालूं, so what is that? Cross multiply, that is probability of B by A into probability of A. Yes or no? Substitute here. I can write probability of A intersection B as probability of B intersection A. Yes, because both are equal. And what is probability of B intersection A? यहाँ से probability of B by A into probability of A divided by probability of B. So, what's that? From here you get probability of A by B is nothing but probability of B by A into probability of A by probability of B. Yes, this is your Bayes theorem. Means if you want to find out probability of A, if you have given B event, then that is probability of B by A into probability of A by probability of B. And if you want to generalize it, then how you will do it? Look here. If you want to generalize Bayes theorem, if you want to find out probability of AI, I is any natural number by B, then that is probability of B by AI into probability of AI divided by what is probability of B. If you want to generalize, that is summation I goes from 1 to n, probability of B by AI into probability of AI. Right, so this is the general case of Bayes theorem. Now we will do one example. So your question is, what is the probability of having two girls if at least one girl exists? What is the probability of having two girls if one girl exists? So सबसे पहले write down the sample space. If you have two children, then what is the possibility of having girl and boy? दो लड़कियां हो सकती हैं, दो लड़के हो सकते हैं, फर्स्ट गर्ल सेकंड बॉय और फर्स्ट बॉय सेकंड गर्ल, यही चारों पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. सो मुझे निकालना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हैविंग टू गर्ल्स. सो अगर मैं ए इवेंट ले लेती हूं, इवेंट हैविंग टू गर्ल्स, ए मेरा इवेंट है ऑफ हैविंग टू गर्ल्स. ठीक है, आपको गिवन क्या है? एटलीस्ट वन गर्ल एग्जिस्ट. सो बी में इवेंट ले लेती हूं, एटलीस्ट वन गर्ल. राइट. सो व्हाट यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट, प्रोबेबिलिटी ए बाय बी मीन्स आपको क्या निकालना है? प्रोबेबिलिटी कि दो लड़कियां हो एंड यू हैव व्हाट यू हैव गिवन दैट एक लड़की एटलीस्ट वन गर्ल एग्जिस्ट. राइट. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी बाय ए इनटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए डिवाइडेड बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी. यस. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी बाय ए? Probability B by A means probability of having at least one girl if you have known that two girls exist. So that is only one. भाई एक लड़की होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी जब आपको गिवन है कि दोनों ही लड़कियां हैं, वो एक ही तरीका हो सकता है. And what is the probability of A event having two girls? So टोटल केसेस कितने हैं? 4. दो लड़कियां होने के कितने केसेस हैं? ओनली वन केस. सो 1/4. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी दैट इज इवेंट एटलीस्ट वन गर्ल. ठीक है, वन गर्ल हो, इसमें वन गर्ल तो है ही, एटलीस्ट वन चाहिए, दो भी हो सकती हैं. 1 2 3, इन दोनों में एक एक लड़कियां हैं, इसमें दो लड़कियां हैं. सो ये तीनों केसेस लेंगे हम. सो 3 बाय टोटल इज 4. राइट. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑल द वैल्यूज हियर. सो व्हाट आई गेट? 1 into 1/4 by 3/4. Yes. 1/4 into 4/3. That is 1/3 is the probability of having two girls if you are known that at least one girl exists. Thank you so much.